Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in the game Crimson Desert. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is steps to fix sound problem in Crimson Desert. So on your Windows, open Windows settings. Then on the left, click on System and then click on Sound. Scroll down and under Advanced option, click on More Sound Settings. Then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties, and then go to the Spatial Sound tab and here select Off and hit Apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if Spatial Sound is already set to off, then from the drop down here select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit on Apply, OK, and then go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2 is to make sure your sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the Crimson Desert game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using a speaker to see if any sounds play or not. Fix 3 is steps to fix audio problem in Crimson Desert if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray and select Show Bluetooth Devices. Scroll to the bottom and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Right click your headphones and then select Properties. And then go to the Services tab and then uncheck Hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Click on Apply and then check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4 is to set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. Fix 5 is to disconnect additional peripherals devices. So your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect such peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio issues in Crimson Desert game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.